Welcome back to the Hamilton Public Library. Today we'll be making a macrame bookmark. I will be using 3mm macrame cording. 2mm would be ideal, but this still makes a very nice bookmark. I have a wooden ring here to hold my cording. You can also use a key ring or even a piece of cording tied into a circle. I am using shorter pieces of cording today as it is easier to show the knotting. To make a bookmark with this pattern, you will need 2 pieces of cording cut anywhere between 40 to 80 inches in length, depending on how long you want to make the bookmark. So I'm going to start by folding my cords in half and taking the folded end, feeding it through the wooden ring, and then pulling the 2 strands through the loop. This is called a lark's head knot. So we're going to do this with both cords. So if you want to estimate how long you want to make your bookmark, you're going to use about 6 inches of cording for every inch of knotted cord. So if you want your bookmark to be 10 inches long, you'll need at least 60 inches in cording. So two pieces of 60 inches each. Okay, so once you have your cords tied on, you're going to tape it down on a hard surface. This helps with the knotting so it's not moving all around. I added a few beads on the side here, but you can add any embellishments you would like. So we're going to tape down the ring as well as the 2 middle cords. And you just want to tape the cords down loosely so that you can easily knot the other threads through. So once you have your cords tied down, we're going to start with the knotting. We're using a square knot today as our pattern. So we're going to start with the left cord, and this gets folded across the other cords. You're going to make a rough triangular shape with the cords. So once you have that folded across, you're going to take the right cord and place it on top of the left cord. The right cord then gets threaded through, so underneath the 2 middle cords and through the gap. So this is why you don't want your middle cords to tape down too tightly. You're going to then take the 2 cords and pull them together, traveling up the middle cords. So make sure the middle cords remain straight when you're going up and not twisting. And then tighten the knot up at the top. You're then going to start with the right side. So we're going to alternate sides. Take the right cord, fold it across, bring the left cord on top of the right, and thread it under and through the gap. So we're going to repeat this pattern until you get to the end. And if you forget which way you folded last, the knot at the top will give you a clue. So when you see that little raised knot, that's the side you're going to start with. So continue alternating and making knots until you decide that your bookmark is long enough. Just keep in mind to leave a little bit at the end because you're going to want to make a fringe at the bottom. So continue knotting, and I'll show you how to make the bottom end and the finished product. Here we have our completed bookmark with all the knotting. So now we just have to trim the ends, the 2 middle pieces, so that they're the same length as the outer pieces. And then we're going to comb out the fringe. We're going to unravel it, comb it out, and trim it so that you'll have a nice fringe at the bottom of your bookmark. And now you have your very own macrame bookmark. Be sure to check out some great macrame books from the library. Thanks again for watching.